Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Shoppay, so make sure you follow my tip till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded Shoppay, and now once you open it you'll be able to see the interface. First let me log out first, so let me tap on the settings, and now let me tap on the sign out first, confirm it. So now you can see the interface shown in the screen. So now you need to tap on the get started, and now let me close this for now. So now it will ask me for my email address, so let me enter my email address in here. So now you can see I have already entered my email address. Now let's tap on the continue. Now it is asking us to verify ourselves, so you can see 011858 0185. So now once I verify myself, now you can see I have logged in successfully. So let me skip this one and this one as well, skip, and now you can see I have logged into Shoppay app successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Shoppay app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.